I'm Nithin, model lead from MakeSense. Today I will talk about Mule Application Development best practices with the Design Center RAML and Anypoint Studio. In this presentation, I'm going to explain efficient way to establish continuous integrity with Anypoint Studio and Design Center. These are the key topics I'm going to cover in my presentation. Configure a RAML in Design Center, create a new Mule project, add RAML as a dependency API, scaffolding and implementation. I have created a sample RAML configuration in my trial account. I'll publish this RAML into Exchange so that it will create a new asset in the Exchange. So asset ID is 1.0.0, API version is v1. I'll publish this RAML into Exchange. Okay, we got acknowledgement. So my asset has to be shown in this tab. Okay, so asset for the RAML is created here. It has all the details. So on next step, we will create new project in Anypoint Studio and try to import that asset into the new project. In order to create new project, file, new, this is the standard procedure, new project. I have created a new project. Let's import that asset into this new project. So we will import that asset as a dependency. So in order to import that as a dependency, so we have manage dependencies option. Click on manage APIs, click on plus symbol. So from Exchange, we need to select the particular asset from the Exchange. So we have to configure our account, like if you give add account, so it will give option to provide username and password. So here we can search our asset ID. I have already configured my account, so here I can able to see my asset ID. See employees is API, the same asset, it's visible here. Employees is API, it's visible here. I'll add it as a dependency and I'll click on finish. So now my RAML is added as a dependency in my new project. I'll give apply. So it will give option to scaffold the RAML, but currently I'm not doing it. So we can do here only, but I'll show later how we can scaffold the RAML. Okay, so now my RAML is downloaded as a zip file and added as a dependency in my new project. So here I can see my RAML. So it has all the details which we written in the Design Center. Also in pom.xml, we can able to see the RAML dependency. This one, this dependency tag. Okay, so now we will generate the flows from the RAML. So in order to generate the flow, there is API specs option is available. You can select your RAML and generate flows. It will do the scaffolding operation and it will generate the flows from that RAML. So now it generated the flows from the RAML. I will explain one scenario where RAML configuration to be modified after importing the asset from Exchange. So we have successfully imported the asset from Exchange and generated a flows. Now I'll modify the RAML in my Design Center and publish new version into the Exchange. like my delete response is just success. I'll just modify it to delete it successfully. So I have just changed the message for the delete response. So I'll publish it to Exchange. So new version, asset version is 1.0.3. So in my palm, it's referring to 1.0.0. So I'll make it 1.0.3 version. Okay, now my new change is published to Exchange. I'll save the project. Okay, now my Anypoint Studio automatically build the project. Let's see whether that change is reflecting here or not. Yes, the new change which I made in my design center is reflecting in my Anypoint Studio. This is how we can establish continuous integrity between design center and Anypoint Studio. Thank you for watching.